One UI 7 rolling out in more regions. Galaxy S24 users in US and India are still on the waiting list, published 1 hour ago on April 10, 2025 by Yash. Samsung One UI 7 Quick ShareTweet, the official One UI 7 rollout, was started on April 7th, and the software has expanded to Europe today. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy S24 users in India and the US are still waiting for the stable Android 15-based One UI 7 update. Samsung pledged that the One UI 7 will be available for the Galaxy S24 series in the US on April 10th, while there was no specific date shared for India, since the company launched the beta in both countries, India and the US. The One UI 7 has been available for Galaxy S24 users since December 2024. However, users who haven't joined the beta are still stuck on the One UI 6.1 software. While beta is live for all users in India, it isn't the case for US residents. The carrier and locked models were only eligible for One UI 7 beta, along with T-Mobile. Verizon and more carrier subscribers are not allowed in the beta testing. The public rollout is highly likely to begin in a few hours in the United States, followed by Canada today or tomorrow, as the US release date is already confirmed. Samsung should not miss out on dropping the One UI 7 nationwide today.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our